Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to enable marketplace option on Facebook. First, you need to launch your Facebook application. Once you're here, click the three vertical lines. And then after clicking that one, all you have to do is go to your profile, scroll down, and look for marketplace. Now, some users of Facebook say that they don't see this kind of feature. They can't see the marketplace feature on their Facebook. So what are we going to do with that? All you have to do is to screenshot where there is no marketplace feature. Now go to help and support and kindly go to report a problem. Click OK. Wait a little bit and you can go now to include a report. Click this one. After clicking this one, you can add the image as a proof that you don't have the marketplace feature on your Facebook. And you can just add or type any concerns here. For example, my problem is I cannot see or I don't have the marketplace feature on my Facebook or anything that is related to that kind of problem. So here I type my problem is that I can't see marketplace option. You can just add on my Facebook if you want. But once you're done, all you have to do is to click the paper plane icon or send. And then wait for the customer service team to respond on your concern on how to enable marketplace option on Facebook. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.